also have the Banish Poverty Global, and we're still working on that. But Vishal today did complete. When I say complete, it's not complete because there are things to do to it tomorrow. But there is the ability now to both deposit crypto and sell crypto or transfer it to another wallet. So you'll be able to load crypto into your account. You'll be able to, if you want, choose to transfer it into a bank account, add it onto your debit card, or send it to other wallets. You will be able to load your account and buy crypto. And so it's all coming together, and these are all pretty much basic things that we are going to be putting in there. And of course, all these other programs are going to feed into that Banish Poverty Global, because that is where the commissions will be paid. So all these plans, when people are making money, they will be accessing their commissions through Banish Poverty Global. So the crypto deposit and withdrawal is in place. Now the withdrawals, due to security, we've looked at this in lots of different ways, and we don't want to have our code available on the server, because if the server gets hacked, it may never get hacked. We have a lot of security thing, but if they can hack the Pentagon, they can hack us as well. And if the server gets hacked and people get the key to how we're paying automatically, so it's automatic, so that you go boom and it goes into your wallet, like we had in We Share Abundance, but we did experience difficulties with that and security breaches. Then it just means that when you put in a withdrawal request, it'll be queued. We'll go in there probably once a day. I don't think we'll be doing it more than that. So and then we'll just make sure we pay out everybody. It'll give us a chance to just check that they look right, and it'll also mean that there is no key for people. The hacker can't do anything with it. There's no way that a hacker can compromise things doing it that way. And that's why a lot of the plans that you're in, you put in a withdrawal request and it's not paid instantly. And the reason it's not paid instantly is because there is security risks through doing it. And so we are we've got it there and it's available, but it will take time. At the moment, we probably be okay to say within 24 hours, but I can't guarantee that. Okay, but it should probably work within 24 hours.